Hi, in front of me is INFINIX S5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu, then find clock and open it. Now choose alarm and tap on the plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour, click OK, tap on repeat and pick days of the week. Now tap on vibrate to enable or disable vibrations. You can even label your alarm. When you're done, click OK and tap on this icon. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wanna turn it off, just tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!